How's it? We are going to use green screen and keying out our picture. What you're going to do is create a new composition in your current workspace, like sunrise, and we're going to call this green. Make sure it's, these are the settings, and duration, we're only going to choose 10 seconds. So duration 10, and then go ahead and hit OK. What you need to do is import your picture, so you can make sure it's in your Google Drive, and then you can drag it into your project like so. Now you want to rename it, so we're gonna hit rename, and I'm gonna call this green, and I'm gonna drag this into my layer right here. Okay, now it's gonna be really big, which is really good, so it's a good quality picture. So I'm going to change the view so I can see a little bit better, and then you can basically hold down shift and then resize the picture, okay, and then go back to fit. Let's see, and then we're going to rotate it around. So if you click on the W on the keyboard for rotate, and then you can hold down shift after you click it, shift, and then it'll rotate. And we need to bring it down a little bit more. You can also hit S for scale and bring it down as well. So right about there. Now you'll notice that some of it is like you'll see the part of the floor or things like that. We're gonna hit the pen tool to kind of get rid of some of that. So G for pen tool, and we're gonna pen around him. Okay, so, and remember you can click and drag to kind of bend it around. Okay, so bend it so it's smooth, and okay. And close it. Now, when we do that, it'll cut him out, which is great, right? So we are going to now key him out. So to do Keylight, we're going to Effect, Keying, okay, and we're going to put Keylight. And in Keylight, we're going to click on the screen color and click on that little eyedrop tool, and we're going to click on the color that now green, it's green, but there's different shades of green because maybe the light was lighter here and darker here and so on. So I'm going to click on the green that's like the most common, okay? So maybe like this green. And what that's going to do is key it out. Okay, now I have a black background, so Command K if it's not, and put black background. And you notice some of it is lighter than the other. So to change that, okay, we are going to go to, let's see, you should have something called Screen Matte. So click on Screen Matte, and then on the left you'll see black. So if you bring up the black, okay, you'll notice some of the black will disappear. So that's what you want to do, is bring up the black. But if you put up too much, that's going to disappear. And so we don't want him to disappear with the colors. So just ensure, and so on. Now if you hit Command K, you can change this background to white, and making sure you have all the white gone and there's no black. And if there was, where it says clip white, you can adjust that. But that looks pretty good. So I'm going to hit Command K and go back to black. And now he's good. So that's a little bit about keying and the green screen.